Yeah, Bangladesh is beautiful. Come Bangladesh, I will give you to eat biryani, paesh,
Oh, oh,
traditional
no.
food. So, do
Oh.
you eat kung pao chicken? Kung pao chicken. Do you love to eat? You love kung pao chicken?
No.
You love to eat noodles?
Noodles. No.
Noodles.
Burger. Do
Bur-
you know?
burger. I think you love to eat burger. I
God.
understand. Yeah, yeah, burger. I know. In our country, we love to eat burger. Yeah. If I will go China, I will eat kung pao chicken. This is my favorite dish
Okay.
for traveling. Beautiful. You are beautiful.
You. Thank you. Ye-
What is the sign?
Uh, thank you. Thank you.
China is very beautiful country.
Yes.
Yes. I love
Yes.
China. I love China. I love Chinese people.
Okay.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Japanese language. Arigato.
I know.
You know Japanese
Uh,
language?
later.
Little. Yeah.
Ohio.
Arigato gozaimasu. So, what is the meaning of xia xia in Chinese language? Xia xia.
Thank you.
Thank you. And what is the meaning of ni hao?
Hello.
What about ni hao ma?
How are you?
Ni hao ma, it means how are you? Okay, I
Yeah.
understand. So, how can I say beautiful in Chinese language?
Beautiful.
Beautiful in Chinese language. How to say?
漂亮.
Paulia. So, Paulia.
谢谢谢谢.
So, I am learning Chinese language. I know little bit some words. Chinese words.
Chinese word.
Do you know Bangladesh? Bangladesh?
No.
You don't know Bangladesh. Do you know
Yes.
India?
Yes.
India and Bangladesh are near. Near.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Bangladesh is very beautiful country.
Okay. Chinese better beautiful.
Yeah.
Where